We're very happy that we could meet Justice Basha and the Commission members. We have come on behalf of the All India Democratic Women's Association and also on behalf of the Tamil Nadu Untouchability Eradication Forum. Both our organizations have been in the struggle to help protect persons who are being victimized, killed, maimed, injured in the name of honor, not only in Tamil Nadu but in many other parts of the country. And we have been demanding a comprehensive law to deal with this kind of crime for more than 25 years. A draft bill is lying with the parliament for 20 years, but no government at the center has had the courage to pass it. So we are very happy that Tamil Nadu has appointed this commission, and the commission will be giving its report within a year's time. And we took an appointment with Justice Basha sir. He was very kind to give us time, and we have come and presented many points that we have found to be very important in the course of our struggles. So many of the issues, of course, are known. It is a terrible crime, but it is a crime of a particular nature. It is not just an ordinary murder, so it cannot be dealt with the present criminal law, because this involves parents of the couple, one or the other or both. Also, people in the community, maybe people in the village. It also involves how does the police react to such issues? How does the whole justice system react? So many other problems are there along with the act of murder, with these crimes. We've also found that very often the woman is a non-Dalit. She's married a Dalit. The Dalit has been killed, but because she herself is not Dalit, she is not eligible for the compensation, for the government job, etc., that a Dalit person would have got in those circumstances. So that is also an issue. Then what is the protection? Supposing a couple comes to the police and says we are being threatened, what is the police supposed to do? Is there any safe place that the government is providing for such couples to go and reside? So there are a whole lot of issues of prevention, issues of punishment, issues with how is this being projected in the public domain? How is the press dealing with such questions? How is social media dealing with such questions? So all of these will have to be addressed by the bill proposed by this commission, and we had come with many of the examples of cases that we have dealt with and the problems that we are facing. Even in a situation, supposing the police is sympathetic, supposing other people, administration is sympathetic, but since there is no law dealing with this issue, it is very difficult for them also sometimes to help those who are involved. So we are very keen that this law be passed. I live in North India, in Uttar Pradesh, and I am very keen that Tamil Nadu should come with a very, very ideal act against this horrible crime, which we can then fight for at the national level, because such crimes are increasing in many parts of the country and in North India also.